Alright, I have a little bit more time. Still driving to work. It's only been about 10 minutes since the first video. This is the sky. The object was. Might still be up there somewhere. Find the shape in the clouds a little odd. Figured if it was the moon, it wouldn't quite look like that. But I could be wrong. I really am convinced that it was not the moon that I saw. Being that it looked like it was moving and the light direction was changing at the time. But right now, this is the sky. Trying to watch the traffic too, so I don't bump into anyone. Moving really slow right now. Today's date is October 7th, 2022. The time is 5:51 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I see some orange and red up there, which is odd. And also, mind you, we just got set back 1 hour just the other night, Saturday night, I think it was. These are the clearest images I'm gonna get. I'm about to hit this turn coming up, and I don't want to bump into anyone, so I hope this video helps.